Okay, class, does everybody have their homework noted down?
Yes.
Well, let's go. Come on. Come on, hurry up. You guys can't be late today.
Hold it now. Oh! Oh! Wasting energy makes mama cry. Energy efficiency is why we strive. Turn off the TV when you're not in the room. Change the LED bulbs and do it very soon. Saving money and the earth sounds great, right? When you walk out, just shut off the light. Oh, shut them off. 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 I shut them off. When you're not charging up, unplug it from the wall. Open up your windows in the spring and the fall. Keep your fridge packed and set to 38 degrees. When washing your clothes, use cold water, please. Look for the Energy Star logo before you buy. Little things make a difference, so don't be shy. Just shut them off. 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 I shut them off. Green Team 2016.